Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to mute a conversation on WhatsApp. Why would you want to know how to mute a conversation on WhatsApp? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to mute a conversation on WhatsApp. So today I am going to show you how to mute a conversation on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Muting a conversation on WhatsApp is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open WhatsApp. Now long press on a chat you want to mute. For example, I am willing to mute this chat. Now in top, you are seeing different icons. Click on no sound icon. Select an option in how many hours you want to mute it. If you are willing to mute this conversation permanently, select always and then click on OK. Its notifications are now muted until you will unmute by yourself. There you go. If you wanted to know how to mute a conversation on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.